Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 308. This is the Active, so it does come with a really useful specification. You've got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone along with rear parking aids. This car also comes with the added benefit of satellite navigation. You've also got dual zone climate control, cruise control with a speed limiter and automatic lights and wipers. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.